Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix AMD graphics driver error 182, which usually occurs when the installer can't detect your GPU or the driver conflicts with existing software. First, make sure your graphics card is properly installed and recognized by your system. Open Device Manager and check under Display Adapters to see if your AMD card is listed. If it's missing or showing a warning, reseat the card or check your connections. Next, uninstall any previous AMD drivers completely. You can do this from Control Panel or use a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller for a cleaner removal. Old or corrupted drivers are often the main cause of error 182. After that, download the latest compatible AMD driver from the official AMD website. Make sure you select the exact model of your graphics card and the correct operating system. Before installing, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software as they can interfere with the installation process. Then run the installer as administrator to ensure it has full system permissions. If the error persists, try using the offline driver package instead of the Auto Detect installer, because offline installation avoids network-related conflicts. Finally, restart your PC after installation, and your AMD driver should work properly without showing error 182. Subscribe the channel for more videos.